Alright, hey guys. In this fun tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use Photobucket with Aimoo, because I know there's so many codes on Photobucket and you're never sure which one to use because you use different ones with different forums, and you know, it's a big pain in the butt. So, make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Alright, so first things first, you're going to open up your internet browser. I use Firefox. So open that up, and you're going to take and there we go. Alright, I'm going to take this one to photobucket.com. Alright, I'm going to open up a new tab. You can either open up a new tab or you can open up a new window. You know, whatever you want, really. And then I'm also going to open up one that has Aimoo. Okay. So there are two different ways that you can post a picture on Aimoo. One is by using a code, and the other one is by using a nifty little feature. Oops, wrong button. One is by using a nifty little feature that Aimoo has already there for you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, because I'm one of the people who don't like to, you know, mess with fonts or anything like that. So I always use this box right here to do all of my posting from. And contrary to what you might believe, you actually can post pictures from that box. You just have to use the right code. So I'm going to go find a picture, and I'm just going to type in funny animals. Alright. That gives me a whole slew of random funny pictures of animals. I kind of like this one with the lamb. I'm going to go with that one. So I'm going to select that one, click on it, and then wait for it to load. And then over here in this box here, where it says share this image, you've got a whole bunch of different codes. You got one for email and direct link and HTML and IMG. HTML and IMG are two different kinds of codes, which is where the confusion happens between, you know, different forums. Some forums use HTML, some forums use CSS or IMG. You know, it's just everything's different on the internet. So Aimoo uses IMG, so you're gonna click on that, and then it says copied, but I always right click and press copy anyways, just to be safe. And then you're gonna go back over to the lounge, and then in this you can't yes you can. Maybe you just can't with my dad's computer. You'll right click. You can either right click and press paste, or you can press Control and then V, and that will also paste. So now you have that code in there, and all you have to do is post reply. Give it a second to show up, and there's the picture. That is just one of the ways you can do it, though. You can also go into the reply box, and here in the reply box you can still use the same code. You can still do, you know, right click, paste, and you can still put it in that way, but you can also use a different way. And this little thing where it looks like a big camera, that's the Photobucket icon, and it says insert images from Photobucket when you roll over it. So if you click on that, it'll pop up this new box over here, and you can either access your own account, which I don't feel like doing, so I'm just going to search again for funny animals. And then, yep, there's the picture of the lamb or sheep, whatever you want to call it again, but I don't want to use that one. I'll use we'll use this one. So I'm gonna click on it, and you can see that it's got blue highlighted around it, and then you're gonna click on the button that says insert media. Give it a couple seconds, and then voila, it appears. And even though this one's still a code, when you post it, it will appear as the same picture, the goat, or the goat, the lamb, you know, it's an animal, barnyard animal with a bird on its face. So yeah, those are the two different ways that you can post pictures on Aimoo. There are other ways too, but those are the easiest ways and the ways that I use most of the time. So that pretty much covers that one. So yeah, the end.